Most lawyers will not tell you how long a car accident case takes in Arizona because the honest answer might scare you off. I'm going to give you that answer anyway. I'd rather set your expectations correctly than lose you as a client when that process takes longer than you hoped. I'm Garrick McFadden. I'm an AV-rated Phoenix personal injury lawyer with the law firm GAMESQ located in the Maryville area of Phoenix. I have resolved hundreds of cases in Arizona, and I know what controls the clock. Here's what I'm going to cover. The 3 stages every case moves through. The factors that speed each stage up, the factors that slow each stage down, and what you can control versus what you can't. Stage 1 is medical treatment. Your case cannot be valued until the doctors understand your injuries. That is called reaching maximum medical improvement. For a sprain strain type case, that might take a few months. For a surgery, a traumatic brain injury, or a catastrophic injury, that can take a year or longer. What speeds the stage up is getting evaluated quickly, following your treatment plan, and not leaving gaps in your care. What slows it down is skipping appointments, changing doctors without a reason, or waiting weeks before seeing anyone. You control more on this stage than you think. Stage 2 is the demand and negotiation stage. Once treatment is stable, your lawyer builds the demand package. That includes medical records, bills, wage loss, liability evidence, the story of the case. In Arizona, insurance companies often take 30 to up to 90 days to respond to a serious demand. Then negotiations begin. What speeds this up is a clean, organized file and a lawyer who prepared the case like it might go to trial. What slows it down is missing records, disputed liability, multiple insurance layers, or an adjuster who's stalling on purpose. You do not control the adjuster, but you do control whether your lawyer gave them a reason to take the case seriously. Stage 3. Stage 3 is litigation, and it becomes necessary. Not every case needs to be filed, but when the insurance company will not pay fair value for you file a lawsuit. In Arizona, a litigated case usually takes another 12 to 24 months from the day it was filed. That includes discovery, depositions, expert disclosure, mediation, and yes, sometimes trial or arbitration. What speeds this up is if a firm that stays on top of deadlines and prepares early. What slows it down is a crowded court calendar, a defense lawyer dragging discovery or evidence problems that could have been fixed earlier, or your attorney not handling business. So here's the honest range. A smaller case with clear liability and short treatment might resolve in 6 to 12 months. A serious injury case often takes 1 to 2 years, maybe even longer. A litigated catastrophic case can take 2 or 3 years or longer. That is not a failure of the system. That is the system working carefully on something that matters. If a lawyer promises you a fast settlement before they know your injuries, pay attention. Fast is not always good. Right is better. If you want a straight answer about your timeline, call me, Garrick McFadden, at GAMESQ. My phone number is 623-233-4416. You do not have to decide anything or everything today, but you should understand what is actually happening in your case. And at my law firm, it is always your injuries, our fight, your win.